Mmm. Aha!
Your tummy grows and rumbles. That's so wrong. You need to.
Playing with mud is so much fun. Playing with mud is so much fun. Oopsie! You can catch us now. Muddy balls, hey, hey, hey. My body is huge, here I come. I will catch you, run, run, run.
Wow!
Someone is misbehaving. Oh, somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help.
Hello.
Here she
Heyo!
is, so
What's
yes.
happening? Oh. Uh-huh.
Let's go!
Hey, girl.
Big, small, tall, short, left, right, around. Ew.
It was a popcorn. What's that? What's that?
One, two, three.
Creepy and so loud. What's that? What's that? What's that sound? Hurry up
Good
and
job.
help.
Oops.
Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. All this officers on the way. All this officer will save the day. Who made all this mess around? No, you're up to no.
Here's the toothbrush and some toothpaste, please.
Oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules clear. Brush your teeth every day, do it carefully. Brush your teeth and then play.
Good.
Magic water toy. Magic
Aha.
water toy. It takes the colors away. All I have to do is splash, splash this way. I lost my perfect color. What kind of? How long you think
Oh,
it
no.
will take me to get to your heart? You know you cannot hide forever. Should we start?
Aha.
How long you think it will take me to get to your heart? You know you cannot hide. 3, 2, 1. Hide and seek. Hide and hide and hide and seek. Don't you peek. Don't you peek. Hide and seek. Hide. Peek in my little eyes. Sometimes you can get sick, but you'll never get sick of
Let's go!
Make a mess, dirty, dirty mess. Yucky, yucky mess. The insects will come live with us. Roll just like it's dirty, roll just like it's smelly. Dirty, 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 ooh, yucky, yucky, yuck. That is why we should keep it clean, keep it clean. That is why we should keep it clean, keep it clean.
Wow!
Insects, stay away. It's not a place for you to stay. Hey, hey.
Yeah.
Dirty, dirty math. Yuck,
Great.
yes, the insects love that. Oh yes, they do. Little ants that
Ew.
a unicorn would take us so far. A happy world is waiting for us. What kind of magic is coming to life? We create our own story with a sparkling
Whoa.
minds. La 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 la. Don't be afraid, I'm by your side. La 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 la. Up in the clouds, it's so magical.
Wow.
La 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 la.
Playing with my sister
Ah.
outside. The
What?
sun is
I'm
bright,
sad.
it
Yeah.
makes me smile.
Aww.
Do you know what you feel? What emotion is this? Happy, happy.
Stop.
Today you feel so happy.
Yeah.
Happy, happy. Today I feel so happy.
Scared. Happy. Sad. Angry. In love.
Banana.
Hey, girl.
What?
Banana.
Uh-huh.
Banana. Who is there with you? Banana. Banana. No, that won't do. I'm banana. Banana. I'm banana. That is the real me.
Whoa. Whoa.
Awesome.
5 little skeletons, spooky, scary skeletons.
Ouch.
Riding a bus at night, they're not afraid of anyone.
Oh.
Skeleton fell off the bus, the witch is shouting at them now. No more skeletons riding on a bus.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes.
You don't
Aha.
have to be mean, you
Water.
let them play. Sometimes words
Soap.
can hurt
Straw.
and make your friend unhappy.
Wow. Fantastic.
Sharing
Wow.
is caring.
Wow.
A friend is so great.
Excellent.